Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am from United Public School. Welcome to social subject from 8th class.
Student, what we are learning previous video in second chapter, okay? Energy from the sun we completed in previous video. Today we will go through the third chapter, that's name is Earth, Movements and Season. Open your test book, page number 33. In that we have third chapter, Earth, Movement and Season. You know more about the season. We have three seasons, no? Okay, summer season, rainy season and winter season. Earth movement. We have two movements of Earth, that is rotation and revolution. Okay. Earth is moving west to it. It is called as rotation. Earth rotates its own axis. It go around the sun. It is called as revolution. Okay. We have two movements, rotation and revolution. Okay. Now come to the introduction part. Changing season. How the season may change. Human beings live along with a large community of plants and animals. We can observe constant change in our surrounding in the course of the year, the flowering and fruiting of trees and plants changing in the animals activity, etc. As month passes by, you will notice that trees shed leaves, stand bare, new should come forth, leaves grow again, they flower and give fruits. You may also have noticed that in different times of the year we get different kinds of vegetables and fruits. In some month it is very hot and in some it is cool or wet. So human beings live along with the large community of plants and animals. Yes or no? We are living on the earth along with plants and animals also living on the earth. We can survive constant changes in our surrounding. In some month the season will be changed. What will be there? Some trees may fall their leaves and sometimes the trees may grow their leaves. It is happen on the based on the season. Yes or no? Yes. So you may notice that trees shed their leaves. Okay, it can be stand bare their leaves and some new roots will become. Okay, and the leaves grow again, the flower may grow up and it will give the flowers and fruits. For example, in summer season we 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 take the fruits, no? What the fruit? Mango tree. Especially in the summer season we eat mangoes. Okay, the season is there. Okay, in that month we got up to 3 to 4 months we got mangoes, and the remaining months we got the mangoes no. Okay, so that is the reason we have the seasons. About the season we know what are the fruits we get, what are the how many vegetables we get in that season, we know in this topic. Okay, you may also have noticed that different time of year we get different kinds of vegetables also. Okay, we get different kinds of vegetables and fruits in some month. Okay, it is very hot and in some it is cold. In some month we have very hot and in some month we have cold or wet. Okay, can you relate it? What are the major season you have seen? Can you describe the changes that happen in such season? How hot it is? Okay, see this question. Can you relate what are the major season you have seen? How many season we have? Three, no? Summer season, winter season and rainy season. So can you describe the changes that happen in each season? Yes, we have the season may changes according to the temperature. Okay, so some month we have in summer season we have a hot temperature. In winter season we have low temperature and summer and monsoon season, rainy season we have low temperature. Okay, so we can change the changes happen in such season. Okay, now see, find out if there is anyone in the class you have lived in distance place where the season are different. Get them to describe what happened there. So you have to find out if there is anyone in the class who have lived in distance place. Okay, where the season are different. Get them to describe what happened there. Okay, so this is for your homework. Now see, most of the Indian subcontinent witnesses broadly summer, monsoon and winter. The far south like Tamil Nadu and Kerala or Andaman does not experience much cold during the winter season. Likewise, the summer season is very brief in the northeastern state. Most of North Indian, however, witness all the three seasons with warm summer, cold winter and rainy monsoon. So most of the Indian subcontinent we have three seasons now. Summer season, monsoon mean rainy season and winter season. The far south like Tamil Nadu or Kerala Andaman does not experience much cold, okay, during the winter season. So Tamil Nadu or Kerala and Andaman does not experience much cold during the winter season, okay. So likewise, the summer season is very brief in the northeast state. So in summer season, there is a very brief in northeastern state. Most of North India, however, witnesses all the three seasons with warm summer, cold winter and rainy season. So we have three seasons with warm summer. Summer is a warm, cool is winter and rainy is monsoon. Monsoon season is known as rainy season. In cold we have winter. Summer is very hot. Okay. We have three seasons. Now see, ancient Sanskrit literature divides the year into 6 seasons. Adding and. So ancient Sanskrit literature divided into 6 seasons. So we have 3 seasons now. In ancient period, Sanskrit literature divides the year into 6 seasons. What are those 6 seasons? We can study in this class. Ancient Sanskrit literature divides the year into 6 seasons now. So what are those 6 seasons? We can see here. First one, Vasanta, Grishma, Varsha, Sharad, Hemant, Shishira. Okay. We have 6 months. Where these 6 months? Vasanta is spring season. Okay. In which month it will come Vasanta season? In March to April. 2 months difference is there. Okay. 6 season is there na? In 6 season we have 2 months is there. In each season we have 2 months. Okay. March to April. This Vasanta will become in March to April month. Okay. Next see second one Grishma. Where it come in Grishma? In summer season. Okay. So where in which month this Grishma will come? May to June. Now see third one Varsha. Varsha is monsoon season. Okay. Varsha means monsoon season. In which month come? July to August. Now see fourth one Sharad. It is autumn season. Next in which month it will come? September to October. Now see fifth one Hemanta. Hemanta is pre-winter. Which month it will come? November to December. Okay. Now see last one Shishira. Winter season. Which month will become? January to February. Again it will come Vasanta. Okay. March to April. Like this it will come. Okay. Now this is the ancient Sanskrit literature divide the year into 6 seasons. So these seasons are associated for agriculture purpose also, tradition, Indian season also. So these seasons and celebrated it with festival also. In which month it will be celebrated from festival we can see here. Okay. In Vasant season. So we can celebrate festival also now. So what is the festival's name in Vasanta? Which festival will become? We can learn. Okay. In Vasanta, end of the cold winter, flowering of trees, harvest of winter crops will be harvested in North India. Wheat especially in wheat is specially in winter. Okay. Wheat will be grow especially in this month. Crop it will be harvested in the month of March to April. Okay. So snow the seed in the month of November, December. Snow means it can be snow the seed in the month of November and December. Harvest in the month of March to April. So what are the festival will become in Vasanta? Panchami, Holi, Ugadi. This festival will become in Vasanta. Okay. In Grishma it is the time which is hottest it in the most part of India. Varsha Ritu mark is beginning of the rain. Agriculture in this month, agriculture operating is most part of India. During the Sharad, During the Sharad, the seeds become clear and monsoon crop ripe. In Sharad, so monsoon crop will be ripe. So during this season, festival like Deepavali are celebrated. In Sharad season, which festival will be celebrated? Deepavali will be celebrated. So this is season is followed by Hemanta. So this season is followed by the Hemanta, which is another pleasant time across the country. Next it is the Shishra. So Shishra is the winter month, which is the coldest period of year. Himalayan region receives snowfalls during this time. A number of crop harvesting festivals such as Lori, it is a festival. Lori, Pongal and Makar Sankranti is celebrated in this Shishra month in winter season. Okay, at the end of this season. So we can learn this ancient Sanskrit literature divided in the year into 6 seasons. What are those seasons? Vasanta, Grishma, Varsha, Sharad, Hemant and Shishra. Okay, in that we complete our 6 seasons of Sanskrit literature. Today's your assignment. See question number 3. We have a rainy season. How do you think is related to the movement of earth and pattern of sunrise? Does it occur in the summer or winter or in the season is between? This one is your assignment. Third one is your assignment. So copy this in your social notebook and send the answer in our group. Okay. Thank you.